That little doe doesn't seem too concerned that I'm here. It's only like 15 yards away. Not a care in the world. Nice looking deer. Small. Not a care in the world. He's looking across this little boggy area. How's everybody doing? Big old woodpecker up there somewhere. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Or leave him alone, I should say. Gorgeous little deer. Alright. Let's get on down here and make some coffee. You probably can't see him. This is not a zoom lens. But there's 3 deer right there. Right there. Can't really see him. I mean, I can see him, but... little ones. They're over there. Just staring at me. Probably waiting for that other one to join up with them again. There they go. Oh, it's 4 of them. Going the same way I'm going. So guys, let me show you this new piece of kit. This is a piece of kit from fireboxstove.com. Great company, great people. I can't recommend their gear enough. This particular piece of gear is called the Ultra Cook Kit, and it's on their website. They sent this to me after a kind of a kickoff campaign to get this thing moving, and really appreciative of the folks sending this to me. This I bought with my own money. I don't work for Firebox Stove. I just wanted to show their gear. I have the Nano, their little titanium wood burner, transient burner. Love that thing. Let me just show you what I've got in my kit. You can buy this thing set up in a multitude of different ways. This is the 8-inch variety. They also make a 10-inch variety, and you can get cutting boards, different utensils, different pan combinations. What I decided to go with is just a GSI Pinnacle fry pan, coated pan with a one of Firebox's coated pie tin, basically, and you can use it to bake, fry, pretty much a lot of different things. So let me take this apart and I'll show you what I got in my kit. And again, you can customize it to however you want. Let's see here. The first thing is this Firebox coated pie plate, essentially. You can use this as an improvised fry pan, and I'll show you how we can do that if you need to. Let me just put that aside. Let's start with this case. It's awesome. It's I think it's 500 denier nylon, super heavy duty, but it doesn't weigh anything. And the way they've designed this is that you can see, you can pretty much open this thing with one hand if you're needing to do so. And then once you pack your kit away in there, you just pull these 2 strings and it won't open. And this is going to be absolutely ideal for canoe camping. I plan on using this a lot in the spring and summer and fall of this coming year, canoe camping, as my cook kit. So there's that. Let me just take out what I have in here for today's coffee. This is the Nano stove, also from Firebox. Some paper towels, a couple clips. But this is the GSI Pinnacle fry pan. Let me just get the handle on. As you can see, the handle comes off. This is an 8-inch pan, Teflon, some kind of Super Duty Teflon. Nice thick bottom. I've used this quite a bit since I've only had this about a week, and I've been putting it through its paces. So yeah, this is the option I have. They also have another option, like I said, of a similar pan without a handle, but they did send me this, I don't want to say custom, but this Firebox pot grabber that's designed to grab this wide rim of this pie pan. So you could essentially use this as another fry pan, or I plan on using it as a cover to steam fish and vegetables and that sort of thing. That's why I elected to get this option with this pot grabber. So yeah, that's it. I mean, there's not a whole lot to it. This comes off, the handle comes off, which is awesome. And the reason I'm going this route is, if you've noticed some of my videos, I bring that cold handle fry pan. I think that's an 8-inch, and it's ideal. The problem is with the handle, obviously a fixed portion of that pan, it's kind of a pain in the neck to pack away in my dry bags and stuff. So this affords me to pack it in that small package and still have the non-stick capabilities, and in order to get things done. So I'm going to set this up, boil some water for coffee. Stay with me. Another cool thing about this frying pan is it pours good. It doesn't have like a pour spout, but it pours really good. It doesn't run all over the bottom of the pan, which is kind of cool. So now I can use this to boil water for freeze-dried meals or pasta or coffee, obviously, hot chocolate. And I can use it for trout. You'd be rest assured I'll be using this for some trout this spring and summer for sure. And bacon and eggs and pancakes and anything else you'd use a fry pan for. But you can also bake in this with that lid. You can bake in it. I can't wait to try that out. And again, if you haven't checked out fireboxstove.com, there's also a YouTube channel. I highly encourage you to check it out. Super nice people. And so far I'm really happy with this setup. And I look forward to using it a lot. Yeah, man. All right. Cheers. Nice little package. That'll pack really well in my dry bag for sure. That's awesome. Love this thing. Thank you, Firebox. Man, for February it's pretty nice out. Last night it was 22 degrees and today I think I got up to 42. A 20-degree swing. I'm also testing out this 24mm lens from Canon. It's like a pancake lens. Just trying out different lenses, seeing what I like. I also have a different mic. I had a Techstar external microphone that required a battery, and it works good. The sound's good, but I found that I was always forgetting to turn it on. So I'd record some video, forget to turn the mic on, and then it'd be obviously no sound. So this is a Rode Video Micro or Micro Video, or it's the smallest Rode microphone, and it's powered by the camera, not a battery. So plug it in and it's on when the camera's on. And it's really small and compact. And so far, I really like the sound. I think it's gonna be the one I'm gonna stick with, at least for now. Maybe when I do reviews or tabletop things, I will use the Techstar, but for now, this is the one I'm using. All right. More deer. I'm walking out and there's more deer. Look at this guy. He's a small one. See him? He's right there. Man, it's a small deer. I'm on the road that got in here. Or I'm on the road that you get in here too. Man, I don't know what I'm saying. This is the road that you get in here on. That's what I meant. He's gone. He's over the hill.